This video reviews Mitsui Fudosan's first quarter financial results for fiscal year 2025, covering the period from April to June 2025. Mitsui Fudosan is one of Japan's largest and most influential real estate companies. Founded in 1941, it is part of the Mitsui Group and is known for major urban projects such as Tokyo Midtown and the Nihonbashi redevelopment. Key takeaway. In the first quarter, business income reached 187.7 billion yen, increasing by 79.2% compared to last year. Net profit rose to 124.2 billion yen, an increase of an astonishing 91.1%, and both figures marked record highs for the first quarter. All business segments progressed steadily, especially property sales, where profits advanced strongly thanks to steady asset turnover. Progress toward full-year forecasts reached 44% for business income against the target of 425 billion yen, and 48% for net profit against the target of 260 billion yen. The Tokyo Metropolitan Office vacancy rate dropped by 0.2 points from the previous quarter to 1.1%, while the proportion and amount of rent increase agreements rose. For newly built condominiums, 93.3% of the 2,800 planned units for the year were already under contract, setting a record high for the first quarter. In property sales for investors, about 80% of planned properties were already contracted, including those delivered during the quarter. Progress at 48% and record profits signal exceptional performance. Financial results. In the first quarter, Mitsui Fudosan achieved record highs across all major indicators. Each of the four main business segments, leasing, property sales, management, and facility operations, also recorded record high first quarter income. Property sales achieved strong progress, already reaching 66% of the full-year business income forecast. Leasing and facility operations segments also exceeded 25% of their full-year targets, showing steady progress. Mitsui Fudosan confirmed that there are no changes to the consolidated earnings forecast or the dividend forecast announced in May 2025. Financial results by segment. Leasing segment income rose thanks to higher revenue from both domestic and overseas offices. In the property sales segment, residential property sales to individuals increased mainly due to handovers of major projects such as Mita Garden Hills and Park City Takadanobaba. Property sales to investors and overseas individuals also expanded, supported by active asset turnover. In the management segment, business income grew with more users of the car-sharing business and higher parking fees in the repark service, along with stronger brokerage activities such as corporate transactions and higher unit prices in the rehouse business. Facility operations segment income improved due to higher average daily rates at hotels and resorts, as well as greater usage fees at Tokyo Dome. Overall, every segment contributed to higher income, and business results in this quarter marked record highs across the board. Earnings forecast for FY2025. Mitsui Fudosan expects revenue from operations, operating income, business income, and net profit to all reach record highs. Mitsui Fudosan forecasts steady increases across its core businesses, with expectations of achieving record performance again in FY2025. Assets and revenues. The group's total assets amounted to about 9.8 trillion yen. Of this, tangible and intangible fixed assets were approximately 4.7 trillion yen, which accounted for 48%. Real property for sale was about 2.5 trillion yen, or 25% of the total, while other assets were about 2.6 trillion yen, making up 27%. On the revenue side, the group generated about 2.6 trillion yen in revenue from operations. Leasing contributed 33% of revenues, property sales 29%, management 19%, facility operations 9%, and other businesses 11%. Asset values remain high, supporting continued strong performance. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen base chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 1,578 yen as of August 15th, and the US dollar stock price is $32.20 as of August 15. Following these strong financial results, the stock price has surged. Current PBR is 1.36 and PER is 16.8. Dividend yield is 2.09%. Compared to the past few years, PBR, PR, and dividend yield indicate that the stock price is relatively high. Simply due to the recent increase in share price, the stock now looks expensive by historical standards. Conclusion. Mitsui Fudosan posted record-high first-quarter results, with profits up 91%. The strong performance was largely driven by property sales, supported by solid leasing, management, and facility operations. Progress toward full-year targets is already well advanced, and the forecast for record earnings remains unchanged.